restaurant here in Doha, Qatar, because of their delicious shawarma. I hope,
Okay, what is the plan? We will taste the shawarma?
yes, we will taste the yummy shawarma, the delicious shawarma of the Marmara Istanbul restaurant now. Let's go! Wow, I feel hungry now. This shawarma.
Yes. Which one is our dish? This one will prepare for us?
Yes. Thank you.
Wow.
Big. One day I will taste it also.
And let's take from chicken also.
All fresh. All fresh. That's why this is my favorite ever. Ah, even the bread. Too all clean.
They are preparing now this dish for us.
Yeah, that's for us, right? Sure.
Wow.
I love it.
Yes, we will sit up a step.
Up.
As I heard, this is very famous in shawarma. For shawarma, correct?
Sabihin ko.
What we order?
You know, my favorite is the plate of shawarma.
This is the shawarma.
Yes, this one. This.
Okay. They are simple.
Very simple,
As a,
but the food is very delicious ever here in Doha.
Turkish sauce, little bit spicy, but taste is very well and nice.
wow.
Thank you.
You are so
You're
lucky
welcome.
we are here.
Enjoy your meal. Have a nice day. Nice.
Thank you.
Welcome.
We got
Mayonnaise.
It's mayonnaise.
Guys, believe me.
Believe me, guys, it's so delicious ever. You taste this?
Hot sauce. Don't forget hot sauce.
It's already hot sauce, but I will put a little bit. Just a little bit because. And I want to put some vegetables. And pickles. Oh, pickles! Can I bite this? Ah. And this is chicken shawarma. Fresh chicken shawarma. Love it. Want to taste it? Come. Come. So delicious. This is the best shawarma that I taste ever in Doha. The
Okay.
best.
How is the taste?
So delicious. This is so delicious flavor that I taste in Doha. Since I was 2018 here. This is the best.
How was the food?
Oh, so good and very delicious. I'm so
Okay, let's go.